Alright, look where we are today. It's been a while since I was at the Peterbuilt Motorhome. Let's see what it looks like inside. Hope there's no snakes living in it. Hello. Oh my goodness. Let's see if the battery has any power. It's got power. Will it start? Oh my goodness. This thing's been sitting for a year. And it started oil pressure. Finally it goes up. So scared of that oil pressure. Wow. Air is going up. Let's let it run for a while. It's been sitting for a long time. When did I put it here? It's been over 6 months, maybe a year.